From a crucial U.S. inflation reading to GDP figures from China, these are the stories to watch in business and finance in the coming week. June's Consumer Price Index, due on Tuesday, will offer Wall Street clues on when the Federal Reserve may next cut interest rates. Recent minutes from the Fed's June meeting showed most officials remain worried about inflationary pressure they expect from Trump's tariffs. Fed fund futures indicate a slim chance of a rate cut at the end of July meeting, but suggest easing in September is likely. It comes as corporate reports in the first earnings quarter under these tariff wars are due. Major banks like JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo will report in the coming week. Results from Netflix, Johnson & Johnson, and 3M are also expected. Second quarter earnings also kick off in Europe. Stoxx 600 earnings are expected to fall 0.2% after last quarter's 2.2% growth. Forward guidance will be key to understanding the fallout from this era of tariffs and fears of more levies. Though it's not obvious when looking at market performance. The S&P 500 is scaling new record highs, and bourses in Europe, including Frankfurt and London, are hovering near previous peaks. China's GDP figures due on Tuesday are tipped to show the economy still chugging along above the government's soft target of 5%-ish growth. But same-day retail sales numbers should reinforce that consumers are still saving instead of spending, frustrating government efforts to gear the economy towards consumption. With the Politburo due to meet around the end of the month, hopes are high for more stimulus to come. G20 finance ministers and central bankers gather in South Africa's Durban starting on Thursday. The meeting comes amid growing questions over the group's effectiveness on stalled progress on debt relief, climate finance, and access to capital for developing nations. U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent will skip the gathering.